How to share Amazon carts. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can share your Amazon carts. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to share your cart on Amazon, all you have to do is open up your browser and go to amazon.com and log into your account. Now, if you've added items to your cart, just click on the cart icon from the top right hand side of the screen there. Once you click on the cart icon over here, you will be able to see the items that you've added to your cart. Now to share your card, all you have to do is you will find the share option that you can find here. Click the share option and just click on the copy link option. And then you can simply send this link to anyone to whom you would like to view your card. This way you should be able to go ahead and then basically share cards on Amazon. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.